Arohi. Arohi, don't lose hope. Please be strong.
Someone has kidnapped Niku. Deep, he's just a kid. I don't know where he is. I am very scared, Deep.
Arohi, see, Niku will be safe wherever he is. Don't lose hope. I'm telling you. I will find him really soon. Who has done this?
Your wife is suffering from split personality, and in that mental state she turns into someone else.
Deep, have I done this? Did I change my personality and kidnap Niku?
To die for love.
Niku, why are you asking me this? He should be with you.
Arohi, don't try to act innocent. Just tell us, where is Niku? Niku has left from school but hasn't reached home.
We have no other enemy in this city apart from you. You got my son kidnapped. I was going to get the police, but Nikhil stopped me.
After you left the call that we received, the call which was meant to threaten me, I thought that you were just venting your anger.
Brother, what are you saying? I did not call you at all. And why would I threaten you? I cannot even think about it. You both have behaved really bad with me. You threw me and my husband out of the house. Now watch what I do to you.
We insulted you and kicked you out of the house. And this is how you avenged it? You took revenge from our Niku? Tell me where Niku is or we'll get you arrested.
No, brother, I am not lying. I didn't do this. Riddhi, I can never do such a heinous thing with Niku.
Enough! Stop lying. You cheat. Give me my child back or else I will kill you.
Riddhi,
I will kill
Riddhi,
you.
what are you doing?
You can kill me if you want to, but don't accuse me of this. I didn't do anything. Brother, I love him more than my life. Riddhi, I can never do such thing. Believe me.
Is it? When you pushed him that day, that is when I found out how much you love him. I know that you have kidnapped him. Give me my child back or else I will kill you. Tell me where is my child. Tell me where is my child. Tell me.
Riddhi, I'm saying the truth. I'm not lying. Believe me. Brother, I know that you trust me. I don't know where Niku is. I don't know. Don't you trust me either? And if you think that I caused Niku's disappearance, then it's okay. You can get me arrested. I am a criminal and I should be punished, right?
Okay, then come with us. The police will make you confess the truth. Only then you will confess us where you have kept Niku. Come on.
No one will go anywhere. Arohi is already not well and I cannot trouble her anymore. Give me time until evening. I will find your son somehow, anyhow.
Until evening? How will he survive until evening? I don't even know if they have fed him or not.
Not until evening, Deep. I will give you an hour. Till then you ask your wife as to where she has kept our Niku. Only an hour. And if Niku doesn't come back to us within that hour, then you will be responsible for the conclusion. Keep that in mind. Come on.
I didn't do anything with Niku.
Arohi, don't worry. I'll call the minister. The cops of the entire state will look for Niku and we will find him soon.
Arohi. Arohi, don't lose hope. Please be strong.
Someone has kidnapped Niku. Deep, he's just a kid. I don't know where he is. I am very scared, Deep.
Arohi, see, Niku will be safe wherever he is. Don't lose hope. I'm telling you. I will find him really soon. Who has done this?
Your wife is suffering from split personality, and in that mental state she turns into someone else.
Deep, have I done this? Did I change my personality and kidnap Niku? I don't know what I have done, Deep.
Arohi, please, don't blame yourself. You haven't done anything wrong. You've been with me all this while. When did you kidnap him? See, we have Anna. We still have Anna. We will find out who did all of this. Okay? You please have a seat. You sit here.
Yeah, tell me, Prithvi. Did you do it?
Ma'am, how can I not do what you asked me to do? I have done exactly what you had asked me. Arohi's brother and his wife came home. They said mean things to Arohi and threatened to call the cops too.
That's good. Prithvi, didn't I tell you? Arohi tried to take Deep away from me. I will also take everything from her. When will police arrest Arohi?
Deep has asked for an hour's time. He has said that he will search for the kid in an hour. Until then, the cops will not talk to Arohi about this. But ma'am, they will not be able to find the kid even in 1 day's time. By then, Arohi will be arrested. The most important thing is that no one knows that you and me pulled off this kidnapping. Ma'am, Arohi will go to prison. But what do I do with the kid?
Don't ask me what needs to be done with that kid, Prithvi. Do what you want to do. I am just waiting for Arohi to go to prison as soon as possible.
Who were you talking to?
There is a private detective. He is very smart, so I asked him to look for that kid. And we will find the kid.
But you are not that smart. I know Tara is making you do all of this. And the kid is with you. Tell me, where did you keep that kid?
Tara is making me do this. How and why will she make me do this? You have sent her someplace where it is impossible to talk to her.
Prithvi, I have told you so many times to stop overreacting and give me these stupid excuses. You have been loyal to me, so continue to be so. Tell me where that kid is, or else I will forget how loyal you are to me.
You have already forgotten every relationship. You are betraying everyone for that new girl, Arun. You should not have fallen in love with her.
Stop talking nonsense. Before I hurt you, tell me where that boy is.
Sir, Arohi will be hurt. So it is better if she is arrested. I can't tell you where the boy is. I'm sorry.
Okay. Why am I talking to you then? The cops will make you tell where the boy is now.
What?
Yes, I will call the cops. And I will tell them that you have kidnapped the boy.
Sir, please don't make that mistake. Because if I go to prison, then your life will also be in jeopardy.
Don't threaten me, Prithvi. I am not afraid to go to prison. But you think whether you want to go to prison?
What's wrong with you? You're ready to go to prison for that new girl. Have you lost your mind?
I am perfectly sane. But you are going to lose your mind. Because I will call the cops. You can decide what you want to do.
Sir, please try to understand. If you do something like...
Deep, come downstairs. The cops are here with Arohi's arrest warrant.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.